Oh, this is gonna hurt. I already know it. Oh! Oh, that would hurt so bad. That would hurt so bad. Oh. I knew it too. I didn't know where it was gonna hit, but I knew what was gonna happen in this. Solid demonstration video, man. Can't wait to do this and try it out. Oh!
Getting more in.
Oh! Oh man. Come on, Dad. That was a dad. That dad was laughing so hard. These things suck. What are they called? Burrs? I think they're called burrs. Yeah, I got, oh listen, this literally happened the other day. I took my dog on a walk and she got a bunch of burrs on her leg in her fur. And I literally had to cut them out. These things suck and I don't know the point of them. Like I'm pretty sure they're just unnecessary parts of nature.
Crowley! Crowley!
Is that a pool? Oh, that is a pool. Okay, I was like, wait, why is he getting so angry? Because he's walking on the pool, I think. And he could fall in.
I think it's wet cement.
Oh. Oh my God, that's way worse. I thought it was just an icy pool and he's walking on it and could fall. Oh Christ, what do? You have to repave it, but also the cement is gonna harden to your dog. Oh, I don't know why you don't have a gate there if you have a dog. Come on, man. That's rough. A little bit, you're at fault though. Like a little bit, but it sucks. Ooh, this was 2021. Whoa. Oh. Okay. I did not expect, oh, he fell over. Oh my, what even? I'm confused. He threw that up, I think, to get something down, but whatever you did just made it a lot worse. That was an ice age happening right there. This was January 24th, 2021. This is some new footage. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to Top 10 Central. I am your host for this one, Joss Bedard. We are checking out the best fails of 2021 so far, obviously. That's why that video is 2021. Wow. Oh, ew. Ew. What is that, though? Exhaust? Oh, ew. I cannot imagine that that is easy to get off. It went all over his face too. He probably tasted a little bit of that. Oh no. Well, why would you, what kind of game is that? This is definitely one of those dumb TikTok challenges, hands down, because this is stupid. Why would you even do that? What a waste. I'd start drinking that off the table in all honesty. Oh, oh, she's flexible. Oh my God, stop. What do you do? Oh, it looks like she literally looks like a Barbie doll. Like, it looks like her leg is going to break. I was very proud of her for being that flexible at first, but yeah, I'm concerned. Ooh, I honestly don't know what you would do. You'd have to like bend the, oh, I don't know. I don't know. Oh! Let go of him. Oh my God, guys, just give it up. Very impressive though, that she hung on. Like that was actually pretty impressive, but at that point, just let go. And like, if I was him, I would have just knocked her off. Like, don't drag me down with you. Almost had it. Almost had it. All right, guys, that is all the best fails I have for 2021 so far. Make sure you guys leave a like on this video and subscribe so you don't miss our next one. I was your host, Joss Bedard. I will see you guys in another one. Bye. Yes. I actually have these at home, and that is one of my biggest fears every time I'm using it, is that it will somehow break or release from the door, and then I'm left with a welt. What's a burr? Like, what is it? Where does it grow? What does it come from? Why does it exist? Are you typing, what's a burr? It's a seed of a dry fruit? Oh my God, I have hiccups. No. How do I do the video with hiccups? My hiccup went away all of a sudden.